So now that we've taken a look at autosomal versus sex-linked inheritance, or what that even means with the chromosomes, now let's take a look at some examples of autosomal inheritance. That's where they're on chromosome 1 to 22, not the X or the Y chromosome. So because males and females have the same autosomal chromosomes, there is no difference between males and females with autosomal inheritance. You can have dominant or you can have recessive. So whatever trait you're looking at, if it's dominant, then you're going to use a capital letter for that allele. And if it's recessive, then you have to have both. You have to be homozygous recessive genotype to have that phenotype. So let's take a look at that. So we're going to use uppercase and lowercase letters for alleles. So the dominant allele is going to have uppercase. So if it was green, for example, you would put a capital G. And if yellow was recessive, you put a lowercase g. So nothing different than what we were already doing. Autosomal dominant inheritance found on the autosome, not the sex chromosome. Okay, so the affected individuals, if it's the dominant one, would be, let's be like capital A. And this is a genotype legend. Okay, so the unaffected would be lowercase a in this case. But the affected genotypes could be big A, or, which is homozygous dominant, or it could be big A, little a. And the unaffected has to be little a. So there's actually two genotypes for the affected phenotype. Okay, so if it's autosomal recessive, then the affected in this case has to have two little a's. This is the reverse. So in this one, the affected, if it's recessive, needs to be that. And then the unaffected would be big A, or big A, little a. Okay, so the ones that are affected by an autosomal recessive disorder would be little a, little a.